Guys, we're gonna do a little wing comparison in the Ninja Foodi Grills, XL and Original, coming up. This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, so you get alerts on all what we do here. All right, so what are we doing here today, guys? This is very exciting. We have a ton of chicken wings, party wings, going in the Ninja Foodi XL Grill and the Ninja Foodi Original Grill. We're gonna see how much each one could take. If they cook a little better, one or the other one cooks a little bit better. We're air frying them today. All right, so a lot of people have been asking me to do little comparisons between the old one and the new one. So that's what we're gonna do, okay? I went through all my freezers in the house and grabbed up every package of party wings I could find in the house. Got them slightly defrosted. Some are still a little bit frozen. Then we took them out of the packages, got them all dried off with a paper towel. Don't wash your chicken. And I'll tell you why. Listen, cold water that you run over your chicken in the sink, all it does is spread the salmonella that would be on your chicken to the rest of your sink, the dishes around the sink, the backsplash, all that stuff, all right? What's really gonna happen is dry it off with some paper towels, you get it in one of these cookers, and the solid heat on there will kill every germ on it, all right? So don't wash your chicken. If you don't believe me, Google that stuff. It's a real deal, all right? So don't wash your chicken. All right, so what else we're gonna do before we get cooking is about an hour ago, I took these out of the package, obviously got them dried off, and then I put a little cornstarch on them and a little kosher salt just to kind of dry them out a little bit, makes that skin a little crispier. And for seasoning, we're just gonna use Uncle Steve's Sweet and Spicier. I'll put a link down below for that. He is actually a show sponsor, so make sure you go hit him up and get some of his shake. It's really good stuff. This isn't scientific, guys. This is me cramming as many wings as possible into the air fryer baskets and air frying them, okay? So guys, this is not some like crazy recipe. This isn't like a scientific breakdown. We are just gonna cram as many wings in here as possible, okay? My thought process though is in the Foodi Grill XL version, it's more oblong and it gives you more surface area in there to cook these wings, get a little bit more heat on the wings. So we'll just kind of see how it works out. I mean, a wing's a wing's a wing. It's gonna be good probably no matter which way we do it. But let's see who can hold on to the most wings. I have almost 10 pounds of wings right here. Yeah, we had a lot in the house. I like these party wings, so we eat them a lot. So let's get over here to the Ninja Foodi Grill Station, otherwise known as my kitchen island. Let's get this started. All right, come on over. Okay, guys, let's fire up these bad boys right here. Turn them both on. Get you take a look at, you know, how they look. We're gonna air crisp on both. Should be set for 20 minutes, yep. So hit start. Same with this one. Air crisp, 390, 20 minutes, hit start. They both have their baskets in there and we're good to go. So while we have these chicken wings out, we're gonna spray them down with some canola oil and then we're gonna season them up. And then we got good old Uncle Steve. I'm gonna use his shake. Just coat them liberally. All right, so we got these all seasoned up, oiled up. We're gonna mix them up and then probably apply another little coat. Usually I will do this in a plastic bag, like a gallon Ziploc. Gets it covered a lot easier. But there's so many wings here that we needed to do a mix up like this. Okay, we're gonna start off with the OG Foodi Grill. Spray it down with a little canola in there. And we're just gonna start dumping wings in, see where it takes us. Okay, we can fit more in there. Pretty full in here. I would say close to 2 dozen wings. I'll do a count when we're done. But get those ones started. All right, we got the big dog over here. Let's add them in. All right, like I said, we'll count them as we go. Got a fair amount in here, I can tell. And what we're gonna do is every 5 minutes, we're going to stir these up a little bit so we're getting even heat all the way through and have some perfect wings. All right, first 5 minutes is up in here. And then we're gonna do a little mixy mix. Get that closed down. 5 minutes is up in this one. Let's give them a mix. All right, 5 more minutes. All right, 5 more minutes. We're gonna have to mix them up the whole time, all right? Get everybody heated equally. This bad boy is up for 5 minutes too. I'm getting the vibe that I filled this one probably too much and that one not enough. So we'll have to see. Okay, another 5 minutes. Coming along real nice. I think we're gonna end up going longer than 20 minutes on these just because I like a crispier skin on there. They'll be done, they'll be cooked through, but I want some crispy skin on my wings. Okay, another 5 minutes on the big dog here. I knew that was gonna happen eventually. We throwing wings around. That's okay. And again, we're gonna have to, probably go another 20 minutes on these also. And be careful when you're stirring them up. Throw those wings around. All right, 5 more minutes, and then we'll probably add about 5-10 more minutes on there. Coming up on the end time of these, I'm gonna take them to 10 minutes. Let them finish off that way. The good thing about this is you can set them up to add more time, even in the middle of the cook. So there you go. All right, guys, we got them nice and crispy. Took a good half hour, okay? When you're doing these mini wings, it's gonna take a little bit more time, so don't stress it. I don't expect people to put dozens of wings in this thing and try to cook them out, but you can see they both held pretty much about the same. I'll do a count as I pull them out. We'll taste them and talk about it. All right, guys, we are done. Now, I counted them all out. And you won't believe this. I don't think I could have. I couldn't have done this any better. The Ninja Foodi XL Grill had 41 chicken wings in it, and the original Foodi Grill had 40. All right, so 81 wings, and no one to share them with. Like, I'm gonna be eating wings for the next 2 weeks. Anyway, so here's my overall thought. The original Foodi Grill, I think it was a little more contained, got a little more heat running through there, so the wings are a bit crispier, a little darker, a little more golden brown. And with the XL Grill, they're all cooked, and there's a couple ones that are more golden brown than the others, but it just didn't get as hot. I don't know, I can't figure it quite out, but the temperatures on all of them are 170, 180, around that range. I really like to overcook my chicken wings just so it gets a little bit more tender and flavorful. I sprinkled over a little bit more Uncle Steve shake on there. It's not just a seasoning to start, but it's also a finishing seasoning. So we added a little bit more to it. All in all, I mean, it just kind of proves my point that each of the air frying baskets are about the same size, if not the same size, just different shapes. Okay, wing experiment, I took them to about 30 minutes, maybe a little bit more, a little bit less, just so I could get a little bit more crisp on there. But these would have been done in 20 minutes if you're just looking for internal temps on your wings. But again, I like a little more crispy. I don't recommend doing over 3 dozen wings in your Foodi Grill, whatever one you have. But knock yourself out. I mean, if you're doing game day and you want to put a bunch of wings in there, you probably could fit, another half a dozen, give or take. You're just going to be, mixing them a little bit more. Okay, so it's up to you. Everything gets cooked. It gets cooked well. They're going to be fabulous wings. But that's it. That's my comparison for the day. Like I said, not too scientific. It turned out to be pretty even, you know, but they're gonna taste wonderful. They're perfectly done. You know, either one of these, you know, air fryer portions of these Foodi Grills work out really well, and I think, you know, fans of the Foodi Grills know that. That's it for this one, guys. If you want to get one of these Foodi Grills, whether it's a new one or an old one, whatever, links down below to the Ninja Kitchen website. I am an affiliate, a brand ambassador. So if you buy anything on there, it doesn't cost you anything more, but it helps the channel out. I get a small commission. Same with the knives, the cutting boards, all that good stuff I use. Links are all down below, okay? Guys, if you want to be a show producer, click this link right here. It'll take you to my Patreon, get you on that last page, scroll your name and infamy on my videos, and it helps out the channel. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful week. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and the subscribe button on the way out. Thank you guys for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.